Assalamu alaikum students, I am Usman from Conceptual Chemistry Zone, and today we will study the introduction of Group 7A elements. The first part of this video lecture will be based on animations. You have to look at the animations and memorize the words in the inverted commas. In the second part of this video, we will try to discuss this topic from your book. And at the end of this video, there will be some MCQs related to some competitive examinations. You have to memorize them as well. Now let's start the topic. Assalamu alaikum students, I am Usman from Conceptual Chemistry Zone and today we are going to start the chapter number 5 of the book 2 from FSC. The name of the chapter is Halogens and the Noble Gases. In this video we will talk about the general introduction of group 7A elements which are called halogens. The word halogen is the combination of two Greek words. Halos means salt and the genon means to form or to generate. Due to their salt-forming capability, we call these elements as halogens. The members of group 7A are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine. If we look at the physical state of these elements, we will come to know that the fluorine and chlorine are gases, but the fluorine is a pale yellow colored gas and chlorine is greenish yellow in color. Bromine is usually found in liquid state and the color of this liquid is red-brown. The iodine is usually formed in solid state and its color is grayish-black. The astatine is a rare element. It is radioactive in nature, the most stable isotope of astatine, having the half-life of 8.3 hours. The halogens have irritating odors, and they can attack on the skin. Now let's talk about the chemical properties of group 7A elements. First of all, the electronic configuration of group 7A elements is Ns2 and Np4. It means that the group 7A elements have 6 electrons in their outermost orbital. The atomic number of fluorine is 9, chlorine is 17, bromine is 35, and iodine is 53. If we look at the values of ionization energy of group 7 element, we will come to know that when we move from fluorine to iodine, the ionization energy decreases down the group. If we talk about the electronegativity of group 7 elements, we will come to know that the fluorine is the most electronegative element of the periodic table, having the electronegativity value of 4. This value is very important from exam point of view. You have to memorize the electronegativity value of fluorine, which is 4, and for the chlorine it is 3. For the bromine it is 2.8, and for the iodine it's 2.5. If we talk about the melting and boiling point of group 7 elements, we will come to know that when we move from top to bottom, the melting and boiling point usually increases. If we talk about the oxidation state of group 7 elements, we will come to know that all the elements of group 7A shows -1 oxidation state. The fluorine shows only -1 oxidation state, but the chlorine, bromine, and iodine also show +1, +3, +5, and +7 oxidation states as well. This is very important. You have to memorize the oxidation state of fluorine, which is only -1. Now let's talk about the occurrence of group 7A elements. As we know, the group 7A elements are very reactive nonmetals, so they are usually found in the form of compounds and in the combined state because they rapidly react with other elements to form the compounds. They are usually formed in the form of halides, which are fluoridines, chlorides, iodines, and bromidines, having the formula F negative, Cl negative, Br negative, and I negative. These halides are generally soluble in water. They are also found in sea, salt lakes, and underground beds of salts. This is all about the introduction and the occurrence of the group 7 elements. If you really like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Here are some important MCQs which can be asked in competitive examination. For example, in FS examination, MDCAT, ECAT, and even in PPSC. From the topic, General Introduction of Group 7 Elements. Pause the video and try to memorize these MCQs and try to find the solution for them so that you can get maximum marks in competitive examinations. And if you have any query, you can freely comment on in the comment section. For more informative videos about the chemistry, please subscribe my channel Conceptual Chemistry Zone, and thank you so much for watching.